Grange Hill student killed in gun attack, schoolmate injured. Chinese businessman robbed of gun, other valuables at home in St. Mary. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Two students of the Grange Hill High School in Westmoreland were shot, one fatally in a gun attack in the parish Thursday evening. The news media understands that the students, a male and a female, were traveling along Bell Heights Road shortly after 5 when the incident occurred. The male student died while the female has been hospitalized. More details to come. A man on his own for hoodlums who robbed a Chinese businessman of his licensed firearm and other valuables at his home and supermarket in Anotobe, St. Mary on Tuesday. Reports are that sometime after 11 p.m., the businessman was on the balcony above his supermarket when he was pounced upon by armed men who subsequently tied him up. The gunmen searched his house and the supermarket on the ground floor of the building and stole a sum of cash, the businessman's licensed firearm, and goods from the supermarket before escaping the premises.